So in this video now we'll try to learn how to print alternate letters of a given list. So we wanted to give that one of that gap and then we wanted to print it out. So we can try to understand how we can do that. Okay. So now I will move to Jupyter Notebook and now I can create one letter of a string. Okay. So what I can do, I will create A, B, C, D, and F. Okay. So I've created one. So now I wanted to print that letter. So if I put that L, so now we are getting that list. And now we wanted to print that only A, then C, then E like this. How we can do that? So if I go ahead and put that letter of, okay, colon, okay. So now if I put like this one, first I will try to explain, then we'll go to there so that you can understand. We are getting that same letter. There will be no difference. Okay. So again, if I go and put blank blank and a step of two. First one, a start position, then end position. Okay. So here we started with 0 and there will be no end position. So all letters came. Here now start with 0, there is no end position, but I wanted a step of 2. So if I go ahead and execute this, we are getting A, C, and E. Okay. So like this, we can print it out. That alternate letters of that word. So if I wanted to start with first position, okay, so what I can do, 1 colon colon and 2. Okay, so what it started, it started with B, C will be gap, then D will come, again E will be gap and F will come. Okay, so in this way we can print that alternate letters of a given list. I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you.